Today we're installing some protection for your gear tunnel on your Rivian R1T. So in the box you get two pieces of this, which is Expel Armour PPF. Now it's really not PPF, it's a protective film. It's about 23mm thick, which I think is about 0.6mm if you're metric. But it's by far their thickest covering. It's typically designed to go on the lower half or lower third of doors if you're going cross country. But in this case we're going to use it on our gear tunnel. So really for this panel here, the alignment points are going to be the edge of this trim piece here. You can probably see if the light is right that it's got pretty scratched up already. So we're just going to get this applied. Don't need any tools at all. All we're going to do is clean the area and then just apply by hand. So with that said, let's get on with it. So the first thing we're going to do is clean this trim piece. I'm just going to grab one of the provided wipes. Obviously if it's super dirty then give it a proper clean first, but don't use trim cleaner or protective trim polish like Armour All or something like that, because it puts an oily coating on the surface, which means your film isn't going to stick very well. Okay, we'll let that flush off. So this is super easy to apply. As I said, don't need any tools. This is where it's going to go. So we're going to align it on this top edge here, or whichever, take your pick. And then we're just going to roll it over the edge and then come back this way. So I'm just going to peel back an inch or so, a couple of inches. I'm just going to place it. And don't worry, it peels back up if you need to. So get a chance for a do-over if you need to. So that's where that's going there. Then just roll that over there. And then I'm just going to kind of work my way back. I'm going to apply some pressure as I go. If you had it lined up here, then it'll be flat and straight and square with the trim piece all the way back. And then just use your thumb just to round it over this edge. That way, if you impact it from loading as you're going in, it's completely protected. And there you go, it's that easy. Thanks for watching.